Welcome to Decorio Studio, your guide to exquisite home styling. Today, we are bringing the warmth and opulence of Italy into your home for the holidays. From the grand entrance to cozy corners, discover how to achieve a luxurious Italian Christmas aesthetic that feels timeless and elegant. The grand entrance dash first impressions. Begin your Italian holiday journey at the front door with a lush, oversized garland. Incorporate deep green magnolia leaves mixed with pine for rich texture. Weave in thick gold ribbons and oversized red velvet bows to create a statement of luxury that welcomes guests instantly. Inside the foyer, place a console table adorned with tall brass candlesticks and a traditional nativity scene, or presepe. Use warm lighting to highlight these elements, creating a sacred and inviting atmosphere. A large mirror with a gold frame reflects the twinkling lights, doubling the visual impact of your elegant entry. The living room dash velvet and gold. The living room serves as the heart of Italian celebrations. Swap ordinary cushions for rich burgundy and emerald velvet covers. Drape heavy gold throws over armchairs to add layers of texture. The focus is on comfort mixed with high dash and sophistication, inviting family to gather in style. Decorate your Christmas tree with an abundance of Venetian glass ornaments and intricate gold filigree baubles. Avoid multicolored lights. Instead, stick to warm white lights that make the gold accents shimmer. A thick, embroidered tree skirt hides the base, ensuring every inch of the display looks polished and intentional. Focus on the fireplace mantle by layering fresh greenery with bunches of dried grapes and pomegranates. These natural elements pay homage to Italian harvest traditions while looking incredibly chic. Add tall pillar candles on either side to cast a soft, romantic glow over the room during long winter evenings. The dining table dash a Renaissance feast. Set a table fit for a king using a damask tablecloth in deep red or shimmering gold. Use gold dash-rimmed charger plates as the foundation for your place settings. Crystal wine glasses are essential to catch the candlelight and add a sparkle that mimics the stars over Rome. Create a centerpiece running the length of the table using olive branches and eucalyptus. Intersperse this greenery with antique brass candle holders of varying heights. The height difference creates visual interest without blocking conversation across the table, allowing the flow of family chatter or chiacchiera to continue uninterrupted. Personalize each seat with a handwritten name card tied to a sprig of rosemary and a cinnamon stick. This aromatic touch delights the senses before the meal even begins. Ensure your finest silverware is polished to perfection, reflecting the care and love put into preparing the holiday feast. The kitchen sense of Panettone. The kitchen is where the magic happens, so keep the decor functional yet festive. Display a traditional Italian holiday cake or panettone on a beautiful glass cake stand as a focal point. Surround it with bowls of walnuts and hazelnuts, ready for cracking and snacking. Adorn your kitchen windows with simple wreaths suspended by red satin ribbons. On the countertops, use copper pots and ceramic jars filled with wooden spoons and fresh basil to maintain that rustic Italian farmhouse vibe. It blends culinary utility with seasonal charm effortlessly. Swap your everyday tea towels for linen ones embroidered with festive motifs like holly or bells. A simmering pot of water with orange slices, cloves, and cinnamon sticks on the stove ensures the room smells divine. This sensory detail makes the kitchen feel like the warmest room in the house. The bedroom cozy Italian elegance. Bring the holiday spirit into the bedroom without overwhelming the space. Replace light summer bedding with a heavy duvet in a cream or champagne color. Add a faux fur throw at the foot of the bed to introduce a sense of alpine luxury found in northern Italy. Wrap a delicate string of fairy lights around the headboard or curtain rods for a dreamy ambience. The lighting should be soft and subtle, perfect for winding down. Place a small, unadorned mini cypress tree on a dresser in a terracotta pot for a touch of organic greenery. On the bedside tables, place small crystal bowls filled with gold-wrapped chocolates or Italian nougat or torrone. Scented candles with notes of vanilla and amber add a layer of relaxation. These small touches transform the bedroom into a private sanctuary of holiday peace. The bathroom spa like holiday retreat. Even the bathroom deserves a touch of festive flair. Hang a small wreath made of bay leaves on the door or mirror. Replace standard hand towels with plush red or forest green towels that feel luxurious to the touch. It is a simple swap with a big visual impact. Arrange a tray with designer soaps and a small vase of red berries near the sink. The pop of red against neutral tiles looks striking and sophisticated. Keep the lighting dim and rely on safe, battery-operated candles to create a spa-like atmosphere for holiday guests. Incorporate scents of pine or eucalyptus through a reed diffuser to keep the air fresh and crisp. A small bowl of potpourri with dried orange slices adds color and fragrance. These details ensure that every room in the house feels cohesive and thoughtfully styled. Outdoor spaces - balconies and gardens. Finally, extend the elegance to your outdoor areas. If you have a balcony, drape garland along the railing intertwined with weather-resistant gold baubles. Large terracotta pots filled with poinsettias add a vibrant splash of traditional red that stands out against gray winter skies. For garden pathways, line the edges with lanterns containing lead candles to guide the way. Hanging oversized stars or snowflakes from tree branches adds a magical touch visible from the windows. It creates a seamless transition from the cozy interior to the crisp winter outdoors. Thank you for exploring these Italian-inspired styling ideas with us. We hope you feel inspired to infuse your home with luxury this season. Please like this video, leave a comment with your favorite tip, share it with friends, and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more design inspiration. Buon Natale!